Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if Wi-Fi is missing from your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So here are the reasons for missing Wi-Fi. The first reason is wireless adapter is installed but is disabled. The second reason could be wireless adapter not installed at all. And the third reason could be wireless network card is missing or not working, and that is a hardware issue which you cannot fix using this video. For that you need to go to computer technician. For rest of the above two cases we will be seeing the solution in this video. Let me illustrate you the problem first. I am currently on a Windows 11 desktop, and here you can see that when I hover on the network icon present on the taskbar, you can see that I do not have any network access, no connections are available. And if I try to open the control center, here you can see that Wi-Fi is completely missing. Usually if you are using Windows 11, you can turn on or off Wi-Fi from here, and also you can select Wi-Fi network from here. If I go to settings app and then go to network and internet, you can see that the Wi-Fi section is missing here entirely, and I have not connected, you are not connected to any internet. And if I try to even use the mobile hotspot, the option is not being turned on and the Wi-Fi is completely missing from the system. So this is the problem overview. Now let us see the solution. So here we will be first seeing the solution for the case Wi-Fi adapter is installed but is disabled. For that, we will right click on the start button and select device manager. In the device manager window, first of all, expand network adapters. Under network adapter, you will get all the network adapters, whether virtual or physical, installed on your system listed. Now here, right click on your wireless adapter, that is the Wi-Fi adapter primarily using on your device, and select enable device. In few seconds the network adapter will be enabled again, and this will restore the missing Wi-Fi on your Windows 11 operating system. So here you can see in this video that the control center has now Wi-Fi, and I can connect to a different Wi-Fi network if I like. So the Wi-Fi connectivity has been restored and the Wi-Fi missing from control center has been restored. If we again check with the settings app and see if the Wi-Fi section is restored there, we will again open the settings app and then we will go to network and internet, and here you can see that the Wi-Fi is mentioned here and all the details for Wi-Fi, even the Wi-Fi section has been restored here. I can also turn on mobile hotspot which is related to Wi-Fi. So related features are also working. And if I go to Wi-Fi section, you can see that I can completely manage Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi section has been completely restored and the missing Wi-Fi section from Windows 11 problem has been resolved. We can close the settings app now. In case if you do not have any Wi-Fi adapter installed on your system, here is what you can do. Go to your favorite search engine and locate your system name from settings app, then system, then about, and use this system name on the Google search and make a search term. In this example I am showing this with the help of Asus ZenBook Flip S OLED. You can instead include your own device name here and then add wireless drivers at the end of your device name and then search. From the search results, locate the official result for your system device manufacturer. In this case it is Asus. So I go to Asus website, then here I click on the driver and utility. Under drivers and tools, I have to select an operating system. So in this case it is Windows 11, and here networking drivers are mentioned. I'll just click on the show all. Please note that these steps are example for my own device. You need to follow similar steps for your own device. So here I have located the wireless driver. I'll just click on the download button next to it and install the Wi-Fi driver. Once the wireless driver has been installed, this problem should be resolved completely and the missing Wi-Fi section should be restored on Windows 11. So that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.